So welcome again guys. So today's topic is on hosting, and thanks for subscribing me, and special thanks for Vaibhav who support me and encourage me to make a video uh, on hosting as well as WordPress, how to connect with the WordPress. So let's start. Sign up with Infinity Free, which provide free hosting. Okay, after sign up, create account and verify your email address. Go to your email address which is you entered in last time. Okay, so when you verify your email address, you will be see like this link, and when you click on that link you will find that page. Okay, and in right side you will see a blue color icon which is create account. After that, when you click on create account, you have to side by side open a window where your Freenom domain or your any domain is registered. So you have to log in that page. Okay, sorry, I got wrong password, so let me replace with correct one. Okay, so when we enter in our domain name, manage domain, we have to go manage domain, management tools, and name servers, and after that you have to follow this step, custom domain in your account, and enter your domain which is our domain name. Okay, the domain class demo.ml is available. It means it is available to host. It is not already hosted by anyone. Okay, so you have to enter here your password. I have hide this password so you can see this. So you will not see like this, you will see whatever you password enter or so on. After that, when you submit this, you got this error. Don't be confused. I knowingly doing that for the purpose of guiding you. So copy that one and go to your domain name, and last time as I show you, so copy this one to point that domain to your hosting and paste your custom name server here, both that are mentioned in the error. Okay, so don't you worry. When you scroll down again, enter your password. Okay, and create account, press create account. In the bottom you can see this because I have hide this, so don't you worry, you will not show that type of anything, that type of thing. So your account has been created with username and view in client area. You will see look like this something. Sorry, when you your hosting is ready, but your site is not working. Why? Can you know that? Because we are setting up your account. Please refresh the page. Okay, refresh the page, still you will get this one, because pointing domain to a hosting account, it takes some time, which is maximum 72 hours, means 3 days. But don't you worry, not for me, it was not 3 days, it was one night only. And you have to approve this one, you follow this one. I know you will follow these steps. Okay, so I will pause this one. You can go to control panel. Let's make some setting, and how to connect with you have to enable a cloud player, because I will tell all the detail why we do that in next video. It is for the purpose of SSL certificate. I hope you know about the secure site uh, error which many of the sites are facing. Okay, because of HTTPS, I will explain in the next video, but for now you have to enable this one, cloud player manager. Okay, in your software, let's see, you have to go in control panel, and in software you have to enable cloud player, as well as another one is you have to go here, and for if you want any who you want if you don't want code your website, you have to install uh, WordPress. Okay, so here is the steps how you can enable install WordPress for your account. So here you can change the site name, all the description for your site which will be open in your home page. Okay, you can set the themes. Okay, so all the things you can set here. Admin password is default admin, and password is pass, so you have to reset all these things. I have just temporarily set this for anything you can see, and you have to install this one. Okay, it will not take a long time, it will take short time to install WordPress in your account. So when your site will be able to publish, it will show the WordPress templates there, and you can manage in next morning. For now it is not working. In next morning when I get up, so I start to check my account, is that working or not, and I found that it is working. So it it depends on your site and DNS records how much time it takes to set up your account. Okay, so I log in into my client area. Okay, this time I am not creating signing up a new account. I am just logging in my last account that I have set up, that is classdemo.ml, and I go to my I clicked on my account and go to my client area, and this one I can see here demo, script demos, blogs, and many things. Here is not only the WordPress, here is many another software which I can set up. Okay, so I will show you a demo, another one demo, rather than WordPress. So it is which is this one is for if you have any e-commerce website or e-commerce business, you can set this one. This it works like WordPress, but templates is different. For different purposes different templates are there, so you can choose which is suitable for you. Okay, for now I am checking out with the WordPress. Okay, so you can install it from here. Okay, so just install it from here, and you can check your installation from here. Okay, uh, stay tuned, I'm checking for it. Okay, many portals are there, image galleries are there. Image galleries means you can for what purposes you want to create your website. So for now I'm showing you how to check out which one I have installed or which one I have to install. So in scripts, here I check it out from here, and I can edit my WordPress from here. Okay, so I can change default templates from here, and I can update it. Okay, so for okay, let's check this one, class demo.ml. It's working. Class demo, as I have written here, so it's working and our site is ready to go. And so we can replace this one also. So it's depend on you, you have to check out all the thing. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so for now it is enough. So subscribe me, like me, share me. Okay, thanks.
Thanks for watching HinTechEr.